Hello. My name is Jack. I am a happy man. I want to tell you a story about my life, my family, my friends, and my happy days. I live in a small house. My house is blue. It has a big garden. In my garden, there are many flowers. I love flowers. They are very beautiful. I have a wife. Her name is Sarah. She is kind and sweet. We have 2 children. Their names are Max and Emma. Max is 7 years old. Emma is 5 years old. They are very playful and full of energy. Every morning, I wake up early. I get up at 6:30 a.m. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then, I make breakfast for my family. I usually make eggs and toast. Sarah likes coffee. Max and Emma love milk and cereal. We eat breakfast together. It is a nice time for us. After breakfast, I go to work. I work in an office. My office is not far from my home. I walk to my office every day. It is good exercise. I have many friends at work. My friend's name is Alex. He is funny and nice. We talk and laugh together. Another friend is Ben. He is very smart. He helps me with my work. I like my job and I like my friends. At work, I help people. I answer questions and solve problems. I enjoy helping others. Sometimes, we have lunch together. We eat sandwiches and drink soda. We share funny stories and jokes. It makes me happy. After work, I go home. I come home at 5 p.m. When I get home, Max and Emma are happy to see me. They run to me and hug me. I love their hugs. It makes my heart warm. We play together in the garden. We play soccer and we fly kites. Max is good at kicking the ball. Emma likes to chase the kite. We laugh and have fun. Sometimes, we go to the park. The park is big and green. There are many trees and flowers. Max likes to climb the trees. Emma likes to swing. I push her on the swing. She laughs and says, "Faster, Daddy." I like to see their happy faces. In the evening, we have dinner together. Sarah cooks delicious food. She makes pasta and salad. We talk about our day. I ask Max about school. He tells me about his friends and his teacher. Emma tells me about her toys. I listen carefully. It is nice to talk together. After dinner, we watch TV. We watch cartoons and movies. We sit on the sofa together. I hold Emma in my arms. Max sits next to me. We laugh at funny parts of the show. It is a happy time. Sometimes we read books before bed. I read stories to Max and Emma. They like stories about animals and adventures. I like to see their eyes light up when I read. After the story, I tuck them into bed. I kiss them goodnight and turn off the light. On weekends, we do fun activities. Sometimes, we go to the zoo. The zoo has many animals. Max likes lions, and Emma likes monkeys. We take pictures of the animals. We eat ice cream at the zoo. It is so yummy. We also visit my parents. They live in a big house with a big garden. My mother makes cookies. She is a great cook. Max and Emma help her bake. They love to mix the dough. We eat the cookies together. They are sweet and warm. In my free time, I have hobbies. I like to garden. I plant flowers and vegetables. I water the plants every day. I watch them grow. Gardening is relaxing. I also like to read books. I read stories about nature and adventure. Reading makes me happy. Sometimes, I go fishing with my friend Alex. We go to a lake. We sit by the water and catch fish. It is quiet and peaceful. We talk about life and dreams. Fishing is fun and calming. Every month, we have a family day. We go somewhere special. We visit the beach, the mountains, or the museum. Last month, we went to the beach. We built sandcastles and played in the water. It was sunny and warm. We had a picnic with sandwiches and fruit. Life is beautiful with my family. I feel lucky to have them. Every day is a new adventure. I learn from my children. They teach me to see the world with joy. I want to be a good father and a good husband. Now, I want to say something important. Life is not always easy. Sometimes, there are hard times. But we must stay positive. We must love each other and help each other. Family is everything. Love makes us strong. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to be happy, love your family, and make happy memories every day. Have a great day.